So today is the first day the cows haven't had a bottle in 24 hours. They are not happy. I could hear them mooing at me from the house. Every time they see me, they think I'm going to bring them a bottle because I haven't brought them a bottle today. Since yesterday morning. I know, and it's breaking my heart. So we're going to give them a little snack and we're going to take them for a walk. Not happy? What's the matter? What them cows want? A bottle, huh? And you didn't get one today? You didn't get one today? It's your mad cows? Your mad cows? Get your head stuck. Would you like to go for a freedom walk? Would you like to go for a freedom walk? Yes, you would like that? Okay, I got your leash. Hi, baby girl. Hi, good girl. You're a good girl. Come on, baby Jeevy. I have temporarily appeased the beasts with this rye and daikon radish assortment from the mini plot back here. It's gotten really long. We haven't grazed them in a couple days here. So they quit mooing at me and they're happy. They're happy for right now. It's crazy. They did so good on eating their feed this morning, but they've just been mad all day, mooing and fussing, and normally they're quiet, and they have not been quiet at all today. So every time they see me or think they hear us, they think they're going to get a bottle. So this is at least helping for now. Huh. You happier? You happier now, Char? Beefy cheepy? They're eating it like they're starving, like they haven't eaten in days. Cows are dramatic if you didn't know it. Cows are dramatic. The good thing is they love it over here so much that they kind of walk themselves. But you got to keep control of one of them. Because as long as you have control of one of them, the other one doesn't go too far. But if they both decided to bolt and run, you can't catch them. Because as wide as they are, they're still very fast. Get all this really green stuff out there. And they're grazing where it's sparse. 1 hour later, and they've not stopped. Above a cow. You've not stopped, have you? No. We've not made it that far either. They love this. Huh. You sweet boy. So far, so good. They've not tried to bolt for the fence line. Not that they can go anywhere. It just makes it harder to get them back the further that they stray. But non-stop eating for an hour. Aren't they so cute? I mean, seriously, look how cute they are. And after we graze, we come in the pasture, and then they know to get a snack. Oh my goodness, look at that grazing pasture belly. Wow, Chief. It's such a little bit, but they don't care. They're happy cows. Look how beautiful they are. Their colors are so pretty. Day 2 of no bottles. I'm coming back from my walk. They saw me. They ran across the pasture because every time they see me, they still hope that I've got a bottle for them. I know. Come here. I know. I see you. I hear you. There they go. Yep. Yeah, I hear you. Everybody hears you. 400 acres away, they probably hear you fussing. Get all the mama cows in a 10-mile radius wondering why their baby cows are fussing. Oh, shoot, that's not what I wanted to do. Are you mad? You're still mad? Still not happy cows? You're wet. It's a little drizzly, huh? But it is not cold. It is not cold. I have you a little bit of leaves, which you already ate today. But because you think you need something else, because you don't have a bottle, there's some more leaves. They literally just ate this for almost an hour, and they're grabbing it like they're ravenous. You good? Are we good? Are we friends? Are we friends? You're not so mad at me anymore? Still mad? Still mad, huh? Still mad? Here's the cows, and they've got all this greenery, all this greenery. Would you like to see where Charlie's grazing? Here's where Charlie's grazing. Right here. Charlie's grazing right here. That's not her best angle, but that's where Charlie's grazing. That's where Charlie. I sat here by myself while they were grazing, and she came to eat lunch with me. That's how you know when they're done grazing. Look at them grazing bellies, man. Wow. And Charlie ran ahead because she knows. She knows. But Chief's hopeful that he'll get another little handful before we make it there. Huh, big boy? You waiting, Char? Waiting for me? I think my cows have figured out our routine. I decided to come let them graze, and I'm looking for them in the pasture so I can grab them, and this is where they're at. They're waiting by the Freedom Gate. They're just laying here chewing their cuds by the Freedom Gate. I don't think that's a coincidence. This is about the time I would let them out later in the afternoon. So I think they've decided that an afternoon freedom graze is in their daily agenda. Look at Charlie. I mean, seriously, how cute is she? And how silly is Chief? He's listening to me. Alrighty, let's go graze. Charlie's grazing. Chief's over there, kind of walking himself grazing. And Bella's decided to take a nap. I can't believe it. Normally she's all over the pine trees looking for lizards. She hadn't gotten her naps today, I guess. Lots and lots and lots of green out here for them to graze on. Gotta love Florida. You ever just have one of those simple moments where you're just thankful for your life and for God and all that He's done and given you? I'm having one of those. It's a beautiful day today. It's probably 73 degrees. There's a nice breeze blowing. Brad's down there working the pond with a new piece of equipment. He's happy, so happy. I can hear the humming of that, but other than that, all I hear are the sound of this. That's right, hardly nothing. I hear the sound of my cows eating grass. Grass on land that the good Lord has given us, and we're so grateful for. As I sit here and said grass with Bella Boo, just grateful, just so grateful and thankful for this life that we have. A lot of people might find it boring, but we're so at peace out here, and we're so blessed, and just sitting here listening to my cows munch on the grass, and I'm just so grateful. I hope you're all having a grateful and blessed day. Get out and enjoy nature. If you can, go listen to some baby cows munch grass. It's therapeutic.